The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for Rock WI, beginning at 12:04 a.m. and ending at 2:04 a.m. There was an explosion at the Alliant Energy power plant located at 935B R. Town Line Road in Beloit. Per the Town of Beloit Police Department, residents living within a 1-mile radius are being directed to evacuate to a safer area at this time. For more information on this incident, stay tuned to local news radio or social media. If you need assistance with evacuation, call the Town of Beloit Police Department at 608-364-2934. Once again, residents within a 1-mile radius of 935 BR Town Line Road are directed to evacuate due to power plant explosion in the area.